How to font Tonkeeper wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can font Tonkeeper wallet. To font your Tonkeeper wallet, you will need to use Exchange wallet. Here I'm going to use my Bybit wallet in order to font my Tonkeeper wallet. So now, first of all, you need to open your Tonkeeper application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your wallet account. Once you are logged into your wallet account, here in this page you will be able to see the receive button. Tap on this receive button right here, and once doing that, this will display the QR code and alphanumeric address. Tap on this copy button at the very bottom in order to copy this address. Once you have copied this address, now you will need to open your Bybit application. In your Bybit wallet account, here make sure you have enough Ton coin. If you don't have Ton coin here, or if you have only USDT here, then first of all you need to convert your USDT to Ton coin. To do so, you will need to tap on this SS icon at the bottom right, and from this page here select convert option. Here in this page, under this from section, you will need to select USDT, and under to section, here tap on it and select Ton from the list. Tap on the search bar to search for it for easy access. Once you find the Ton, tap on it to select it. Once you have selected them, now you can enter the amount of USDT you would like to convert to Ton. Make sure you have enough balance here. Also, it doesn't require any gas fees here. You will be able to convert it free of cost. Once you have entered the amount of USDT, now you can tap on this quote option at the very bottom, and after that you will be able to convert your USDT to Ton. Once your USDT has been successfully converted to your Ton, now you can return back to the previous page, and in this page you can tap on this withdraw option. Tap on withdraw, and from this list here search for Ton. You may also use the search bar at the top to find the Ton. Once you find it, tap on it, and here in this page you will need to now paste the address that you have copied from your Tonkeeper. Tap on this address box and long press on it, then paste your copied address. After doing that, here you will need to choose the network. Tap on this network box and choose Ton here. If you want to add any kind of memo or comment, you may add in this box. If not, you can leave it as it is, as this one is optional. After that, in this amount section, here you will need to enter the amount of Ton you would like to transfer or send it to your Tonkeeper wallet. Also note that you will be charged with 0.1 Ton as withdrawal fees. Make sure you have these fees available on your wallet. After that, you can simply tap on this withdraw button at the bottom right, and then you will be able to proceed further. In the next page, for confirmation, a code will be sent to your email address. You will need to enter the code in the provided box. Also, if you have added two-factor verification, you will need to complete that in order to fund your Tonkeeper wallet. And after completing all of this process, you'll be able to send Ton to your Tonkeeper wallet. So by following the steps, you should be able to fund Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.